Here are the two schools for tonight's show. St. Jago High from St. Catherine up against Knox College from Clarendon. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. St. Jago High is represented by team captain Shanari Lindsay, Leroy Casanova, Abigail Barnes, and Joel Henriquez, while Knox College is represented by Kejon Brown, Mikel Douglas, team captain Tajon Gibson, and Ayodeji Adedipe. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone and welcome to the third match in round 3 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host Evangeline Irving and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens and Mrs. Lily Samuels. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and St. Jago High won and decided to let Knox College go first. So we begin with Knox College. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Knox College. History. In which country was Alexander the Great born?
Country Macedonia. Macedonia.
No, Greece. History St. Jago. Who was the ruler of the Huns from 434 until his death? Attila. Is correct. International affairs. Knox, it's a visual one. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Omar al-Bashir.
Omar al-Bashir.
Correct. President of Sudan. Local affairs. A visual question for you, St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Arif Alvi.
Arif Alvi.
Correct. President of Pakistan. Physics. Knox. A 1 kilogram turtle crawls in a straight line at a speed of 0.01 meters per second. What is the turtle's momentum?
0.01 kilogram meters per second.
Is correct. Physics St. Jago. A 0.14 kilogram baseball is thrown in a straight line at a velocity of 30 meters per second. What is the kinetic energy of the baseball?
0.07 times 900. 6.3 joules.
6.3 joules.
No, it's 63 joules. Knox, music for you. It's an audio question. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
It's poppin', it's poppin', it's poppin'.
Lil Mama.
Lil Mama. Lil Mama.
Is correct. Music and audio question for you now, St. Jago. Listen to the following clip and identify the artist.
My body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest.
Sierra.
Is correct. Spanish Knox. Give an English proverb equivalent in meaning to a diario una manzana es cosa sana.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Is correct. Spanish St. Jago. Give an English proverb equivalent in meaning to más vale pájaro en mano que cien volando.
A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
Is correct. Theatre and cinema visual for you, Knox. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Ashley Tisdale.
No, it's Lily Reinhardt. Theatre and cinema visual for you now, St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Camila.
Sure?
Lemon. Camila Davis.
Marina Bakari. Marina Bakari.
Camila.
Davis.
No, the answer is Camila Mendez. Literature, Knox. From which Shakespearean play can you find the line, "Be not afraid of greatness"?
12th night.
12th.
Night.
12th night.
Is correct. Literature, St. Jago. From which Shakespearean play can you find this line, "Now is the winter of our discontent"?
Richard the Third. Richard the Third.
Is the right answer. Sport or visual question, Knox. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Luka
Modric.
Modric.
Luka Modric. Luka Modric.
Luka Modric is what I have. Yes, yes. Judges accept. Sport or visual question, St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Wait, no. Where is it?
Tony Cruz. Tony Cruz.
Tony Cruz.
Tony Cruz.
Is correct. And that's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Knox College on 6 points and St. Jago High also on 6 points. When we come back, it will be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge quiz returns after these messages.